Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 50, class 10th, science, for the date 2nd November. As you know that your lesson heredity and evolution is going on, so let's see what is there in this worksheet. Hereditary. It's the transmission of traits and characteristics from one generation to another is known as hereditary. The most obvious outcome of the reproductive process still remains the generation of individuals of similar design, and the rules of heredity determine the process by which traits and characteristics are reliably inherited. It means that how the characteristics are transferred from one generation to another, and the rules of heredity it determines by which process the traits and characteristics are inherited. So father of genetics is George John Mendel. He was the one who given this genetics branch. What are inherited traits? A child bears all the basic features of human beings, however it does not look exactly like its parents, and the population shows a great deal of variation. If we talk of human beings, we have two types of variants, free and attached earlobes. That means some peoples are having the attached earlobes and some are having free. Why Mendel chose the garden pea plant? And this is very important. Mendel used a number of contrasting visible characteristics on the garden pea, and scientific name of garden pea is Pisum sativum. He chose it because availability of detectable contrasting trait of the several characteristics means that traits were very much contrasting to each other because of its short lifespan, and it normally allows self-fertilization, but cross-fertilization can also be carried out. So both things are there, and the number of progeny, that is large number of seeds, are produced. So these are the main 4 points because of which he chose it. What are the rules for inheritance of traits? Mendel's contribution. When we talk of Mendel's contribution, inheritance of such traits in human beings are related to the fact that both the father and mother contribute practically an equal amount of genetic material to the child. This means that each trait can be influenced by both parental and maternal DNA. Thus, for each trait, there will be 2 versions of each child. He told that how the both, in case of sexual reproduction, both father and mother are contributing equally. You can see the 7 contrasting characteristics which he chosen: seed shape, seed color, flower position, pod shape, pod color, and plant height. These are the 7 contrasting characters which Mendel studied. Let's see the question answers. First question is define heredity. It's the transmission of traits and characteristics from one generation to another. Second, the plant on which Mendel performed his experiments, it is garden pea. And second part, write the scientific name of the plant, it is Pisum sativum. Remember, whenever you write the scientific name, because you are writing notebook, do underline it. Otherwise, when it is typed, it should be in italics. Question number 3. Name any 2 variants found in human population. This is the answer for 3rd. Free and attached earlobes are the 2 variants found in the human population. This is answer number 4. Give reasons why Mendel chose pea plant for his experiments. He chose garden pea as his mix because of availability of detectable contrasting trait, short lifespan, allows self and cross fertilization, and large number of seeds. So this much is there in the worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.